Hi guys, welcome to Bamboo Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make one bowl banana bread. This is the best ever banana bread recipe. This recipe is super moist and fluffy and easy to make. It's also freeze well. So let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease and flour 8 times 4-inch loaf pan. Here I'm using my bakery pan grease. You can find the recipe in my other YouTube video. In a large bowl, mash the ripe bananas. I'm using a measure tool here, but you could also use a fork, and that will work just fine. For the batter, mix all together flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon. Then set aside. In a large mixing bowl, combine sugar, eggs, and oil. Mix well. Then pour your dry ingredients into your wet ones and mix it together. Then add the mashed banana and mix it again. Just make sure that you don't overmix because that would result in tough dry bread. Spread the batter evenly in prepared pan. Arrange the sliced banana on top to make it prettier. Bake it for about 40 to 45 minutes or until toothpick inserted in the center of the loaf comes out clean. It really smells amazing here, guys. I beg you guys to try this out because it was so good. You can enjoy this buttery bread for breakfast or even sweet treats to enjoy with your coffee. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!